How to print from Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to print from Canva, first of all launch the Canva application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now for example, over here in Canva, I want to print a design over here. So in order to print the project or the work over here, simply tap on the design. So let me just tap on any of this project over here. Now as the project opens up, make sure that you make necessary edits over here. Now in order to print, you need to have the downloaded version. So just tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, when you tap on the three dotted lines, or simply just go back and then tap on this upward sign over here, and here you can see the option of download. So just tap on download, and here under the file type option, just tap on it, and here you can see the option of PDF print, which is best file type for printing. So just do that and then tap on download, and as you tap on download, you'll be able to get a print ready design from Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.